services. Meals and lodging were at 400. I kept it. I know that if you look back, the history says that we don't use it very much. But now that we have the new hire in planning and zoning, he will have to start doing because before it's been he's been doing both, so the cost is going to come up over here. And then travel, we did from 750 to 800, and the reason I did that is because if you look the past 2 years, he was skirting right at the 750.
Okay.
Office supplies, we kept at 500. Now, you rarely come close to that. Do you see some big things that need to be purchased? Can we go down a little bit on that?
Absolutely. We could definitely 350, 300.
Okay. 350. I mean, we want to make sure that you have your paper and pen, all the things that you need, but okay. Account number 461 telephone. I've got 550 for that.
Proposed 650.
Did you propose that? I was just trying to see what you did here.
So it's about $44 a month for my cell phone. So.
Oh yeah. Okay. So that needs to go from. Originally, it was $950 last year. So he did request when we met that we could drop that down to $650, and then I'm also going to put $650.
Okay.
That was a typo on my part because I do have the notes here. Gasoline, 472, fuel and gasoline, we kept it at the 500 because he splits it with planning and zoning, and I think we just dropped theirs, didn't we?
Some.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, for that.
Okay. And then for vehicle expenses, last year we had it at 2,000. He requested 200. Dan requested 200. I'm requesting 5. I think 200 is probably not even enough for oil changes, or what?
You can get 2. Yeah. We went from a vehicle that was costing us a lot of money to one that's new and doesn't cost us much money. So other than oil changes, so.
I think 200. I think that's pretty skimpy.
Skimpy for 2, so you're fine.
So I put in 5. So you guys let me know what you want.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Yep. Sorry. Yep.
And then professional services, we did 0.
Okay.
And then grants, we did 0. There. Advertising, we kept it 150. Dues, we went from. We kept it 350. Training, we kept it 175. Data processing, we kept it 200.
And that's that same line item for DP development?
Yep.
I was not quite sure where we ever used money on that.
Well, this is 701. That other one was 700, if I remember correctly. And I could be wrong on that. And then Emergency Operations Center, we kept at 275. Okay, so let's double check this. Did 650, I did 500, no change.
No change. Fuel. Went up a little bit. And then conference training and travel. $439.
Okay, yep, you got it, captured it all on your list that you. And that concludes disaster services.
Okay. Any public comment?
We need to raise the revenue up on the P and Z side. 17,500.
Yep, you guys are getting that pretty close.
We're
Okay.
waiting for scheduling a hearing.
All right, well, thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Anything further? Yeah. We're adjourned.